What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. And today we're not in the SRT today because it's at the shop. But today we got nature, we got God with us. But anyway, man, let's jump straight into it. After 18 years old, life get pretty hard. Life gonna get pretty hard after you turn 18, especially if you're black. Now, I can only speak from a black person perspective because I'm black, but especially if you're black, and especially if you came from the Caribbean, if you're Haitian, if you're Jamaican, you know, Puerto Rican, Dominican, at 18 years old, your parents, they want you out the house. It's either you get a job or you out the house. As fucked up as that shit sound, but that's what it is. But that's really not the way to go. As a parent, that's not the way to go. You don't kick your children out at 18, even at 18. And they're kicking you out. It's not like they had something saved up for you. You get what I'm saying? Not that they owe you that, but in other culture, that's what's happening. You know, at 18, they buying houses. Meanwhile, you turn 18, they trying to get you your first job. You're trying to get your first job. You don't know shit about stock, because the school that you went to, it's pretty much a trap. The school system is just to program you to be a worker. I bet you that your parents didn't tell you that. The school system only teaches you to be a worker. And when you're a worker, you limit yourself. You don't want to limit yourself, because God would never limit himself. And you're a God, so why would you limit yourself? So what do you do? Now that your parents want to kick you out, what do you do? I know you got friends, bro. You're 18, you're going to the gym, you're good looking, you got friends, you got 3-4 niggas that you talking to. You got girls that's on your ass, you got all that. That's not a problem. But you don't have the money. You don't have the money, you broke. The little job that you have is not paying you enough. So if you don't want to be like Uncle Ray Ray, that nigga 65, he's still working. He's still working an 8-hour shift, and he's not making enough. You don't want to end up like Uncle Ray Ray. So at 18 years old, after your parent kicked you out, and your bitch, that girl that you thought you was in love with, she broke your heart, what do you do? Them friends that you have, right? Them friends that you have, I want you to call all of your friends. If you have 4 friends, call all 4 of them. You know, hey yo, man, let's go out to play ball. Let's go out to eat. And I want you to tell them that you want to start your own business. You want to start your own business. And as boys, they should tag in along with you. I want you to start by putting a little bit of money every day, a small amount. It could be like $40 each. If you have 4 friends, 5 friends, whatever the number is, you get the point. And eventually with that money, you're gonna start your side hustle. Whatever business you're gonna start, you go for it. If you take the traditional path, you're not gonna make it out. You're not gonna make it out, bro. And the traditional path is go to school, get you a little girlfriend, get married eventually, which that's probably not gonna work out. I'm sorry to break it down to you. It's probably not gonna work out. You know, it's something you got to go through it yourself, right? She's gonna break your heart, bro. She's gonna break your heart, especially now. Especially now, bro. Nah, you're just gonna be, you don't want to be an angry ass nigga, bro. You're just angry all the time because you can't control your emotion. Because a little girl cheated on you, bro. Don't go fight over no girl, bro. Just let it go. Just focus on the money. Put God first and focus on the money. If you do that, you can never lose, bro. I'm telling you. So you want to start your side hustle. And if it doesn't work out, just start all over. And you can never lose, bro. Whatever car you want to drive, bro, if you have 4 people with you, bro, you can drive it. You want to get a Lambo, you can get it. The traditional path is gonna fuck you over. Anyway, man, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, boosted_villain. Let's get into it, man. And I forgot to tell you guys that we got a fucking M3. We got an E46 M3. It's at the shop. We're working on it. And we might end up selling the SRT. We might end up selling the SRT. So let's see what happens, man. So remember, put God first and go get it. And God is within you. So let's get into it.